Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. And why I have done this project, what I will show you today. It was my birthday about a month ago, and I had quite a few flowers that I got, so I decided to save them and make a potpourri out of them. So this, apparently it was a lot. I was supposed to just make this one thing, and this is what it looks like inside, but I had so many roses that I made two, and this is my second kind of vase of potpourri. So those are two things that I made today, and I will show you step by step how you can make it. And if it's this something you are interested in and would like to know how to make it, they smell amazing. I put them one beside me and one on my kitchen table because I really like the smell of roses, and it looks gorgeous the way it sits in this little tray. So as a decoration, it's pretty amazing. So anyway, if this is something you're interested in and would like to know how to make, please continue watching. Okay, so it has been almost 3 weeks. The flowers were probably ready in 2, but I didn't have time to mess with it. So this is what they look like, dry. So I had 3 bouquets for my birthday, so that's why I used them. And I think it did the job. The only thing, as you could see on the pictures prior, I showed you how I hang them. There's also a better thing to hang. It's a socks dryer. You can buy this thing on Amazon, and it has like a hook that you can hang anywhere. See how it looks? So like that. So, and then you can hang your flowers over here. But if you don't have this, I purchased it already after, then you can use the old style and just hang your flowers upside down. So for decoration, I have this old thing from a Dollar Tree, and it had a mirror, so I kind of got it out because I like how it looks. So I will be using it for my potpourri bowl. So I put it in here. This is from Dollar Tree as well, and I will hot glue this thing because I like how it sits, kind of, you know, it has its own leg. And anyway, so that would be the end process. Right now we're gonna start working. I think I have too many flowers for this bowl, but we'll work on it. So let's go on with it. Okay, so my tray was a little too small, but this is what it looks like. It smells really good, but I actually have a scented oil that is roses, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit at the top. But then I got another bowl and I'm gonna finish up and do a little bit of different design with the potpourri. Okay, that was all. I glued the bowl, so now it's all nice and secure. Huh? Isn't that pretty? And as I told you, I had a little extra, so I made an extra bowl. So now I have two tables, two amazing potpourri bowls. And as you can see, it wasn't that difficult. All you gotta do is just dry the roses and work with it, and you don't even have to put some of that scented oil because it smells pretty good without it. So, but I wanted a little stronger, so I sprinkle a couple of drops just randomly over the bowl. Anyway, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.